Question 7, Batsi 7.1. A business buys a machine that costs 220,000. The value of the machine depreciates at 9% per annum according to the diminishing balance method. Determine the scrap value of the machine at the end of a 5-year period. So now 120 lo will be present value, because it's in a future value. After iminyaka 5 lo mshini yobusubiza malini uma inani lawo li depreciate nge-rate ewu-9%. So okusho ukuthi leli percent is for for interest rates. Remember ukuthi 9% uma ngabe simsebenza, we need to divide it by 100% and then we will receive 0.09. This is for interest rate. Now let's use the formula to depreciating. So by the balance method, we use for the compound of a depreciating value, which is P into 1 minus I all raised to power n. P wako still 120,000 into 1 minus interest rates, it's 0.09. And then for a period kabani ka 5 years. Then our future value, if we punch our calculator, 120,000 into 1 minus 0.09 all raised to power 5. Then our answer is 74,880 rand 86 cents. So we've got 74,880 rand 86 cents. 7.1.2. Sebeyabuza ke manje ukuthi after 5 years the machine needs to be replaced. Shuthi kuleli business badinga ukuthi emva kweminyaka ewu5 bafuna ukushintsha lo machine. So during this time, inflation remained constant at 7% per annum. Determine the cost of the new machine at the end of 5 years. So now, sesifuna ukuthi emva kwa 5 years ngabe lo machine yobusubiza inani elingakanani. Now, siyazi ukuthi into yokuqala lo machine ubobiza malini, ubobiza 100 I said depreciate manje. Sifuna ukwazi ukuthi after 5 years ubusubiza ngisho ukuthi iyanyuka irate yakhona. And remember ukuthi inyuka inflation rate yakhona inyuka ngo-7% per annum, kushuthi ngonyaka inyuka ngo-7%. So which means uphi wethu 120,000 into 1 plus the interest rate, you need to divide it by 100. So 7 divided by 100 is 0.7. After iminyaka 5, shuthi lo mshini uma sebebuya bezothenga bazothola ngenani eliyimalini. Vele ngishintshe la ngifake u7 and then ngifake plus la. Yes. So I've got 168,306 rand 21 cents. So I have 168,306 rand 21 cents. Then must bigger question 7.1.3. It says the business estimates is that it will need 90,000 by the end of 5 years. So in 5 years lies a number of years. A sinking fund for 90,000 into which equally monthly installment must be paid is set up. Then the interest on this fund is 8.5% per annum compounded monthly, which means it's 12 loyal. The first payment will be made immediately, and the last payment will be made at the end of a 5-year period. They want me to calculate the monthly payments of this sinking fund. Now, due to this sinking fund, we use the future value. In the formula future value, so f of v or f is equal to x for our monthly payment into 1 plus I all raised to power n minus 1, all divided by interest rate. Now, bona bafuna ukwenza u90,000 for a 5-year period, should bafuna ukubeka, bafuna bangabeka malini ngenyanga ukuze babe no 90,000. Should u90,000 will be future value, and then x lo our monthly payment. 1 plus I is for interest rate. Interest rate is 8.5%. We divide this go hundreds, total 0.085. But a compounded monthly. If that's a compounded monthly, you will divide ngobani ngo 12 ngoba onyakeni nginezinyanga ezu12. All the raised to power 5 inyanga 5 years multiplied by inyanga ezu12. So 5 times 12 uzokunika u60. Khona into eshodayo bathena lana, the first payment will be made immediately, which means plus 1 wenyanga, and ngoba lo payment yokugcina izophinda ingene ekugcineni we-period yesifaka, futhi kunenyanga eyodwa ezo-edeka for ama monthly payments, minus 1 sivale, all divided by interest rate of 0.085, all divided by 12 lower months. Now, then x monthly payment, you will say 90,000 divided by all this. So 90,000 times 0.085 divided by 12. All this will be divided by x 1 plus 0.085 over 12. So still 8 times 12 is 60. So that's 60 plus 1 is 61. So things about 61 la minus 1. And then your x will be the monthly of payments. Then now Shane calculates and see what it's Tolabani. I've got 90,000 multiplied by 0.085, all divided by 12, divided by 1 plus 0.085 divided by 12, all raised to power 61, minus 1. Then your final answer is, so some monthly payments it's 1,184 rand and 68 cents. 1,184 rand and 68 cents. These are the monthly payments for the sinking fund. So come again, send the question live. We've got 7 pencil. When receiving an amount of 900,000 upon a retirement, should total 900,000. She invested this amount immediately at an interest rate of 10.5% per annum compounded monthly. This thing highlighter isn't there by Izibalulegi. And then that's Lana, she needs an amount of 18,000 per month to maintain her current lifestyle. Futhi kahle kahle udinga 18,000 ukuze akwazi maintain standard sakhe sokuphila. Now she plans to withdraw the first amount at the end of the first month. How many months will she be able to live from her investment? So njengoba befuna ukwazi ukuthi kuzothatha inyanga engaki. Kahle kahle la unemali ayithola, which means it acts as a present value. I have to use the present value formula or formula present value. It's PV or P is equal to x lower monthly 1 minus into 1 plus I for interest rates minus n, all divided by the interest rate. Sifuna ukwazi ukuthi njengoba uzoyikhipha isikhathi esingaka uzoyikhipha for how long, for inyanga ezingaki. Now, the present value yakho uthola imali engango 900,000. And yena uzokhipha malini u-18,000. 1 minus into 1 plus interest rate, but it's 10.5%, which is 0.105. But it's compounded monthly, which means I divide by 12. All raised to power negative n low ingzubigimfuna, all divided by the interest rate, which is exactly 0.105 divided by 12. So they want me to find the value n. So in other words, let me multiply both sides 100,000 ngale mali le. Then now I'm solving for n. Now I will have 18,000 as mali salary and ngizoba no 900,000 ngapha o times ana no 0.105 over 12. Ngingadivide la for 18,000. The number ngizobe nginawo ngapha ngidivide for 18,000 bese ngisala another 1 minus, which means uma ngisala no 1 minus into 1 plus into 0.105 divided by 12 all raised to power n. I need to solve for negative n. I can transpose lokhu kuye ngapha ngakwa right hand side, then therefore ngizoba no 1 plus 0.105 all divided by 12 all raised to power negative n equals to salu 1, and then lokhu makuza ngaka right ngizoba no 1 minus lento 900,000 into 105 divided by 12 all divided by 18,000 la. Then if I'm solving for n in this case, I can take ukuthi yonke lento le ngithathe as the whole number ikanje. Now I can apply my logarithm laws by saying if I apply log on this side ngapha nangapha ngizoba no log 1 plus 0.105 over 12 all raised to power n equals to log yonke le number le nginawo la minus 900,000. Ungayishaya i-calculator, but ngeke ngathanda ukushaya i-calculator ngoba ngifuna ukuyishaya ekugcineni khona ngizothola i-answer accuracy divided by 18,000. The number le. And then there is a rule ya log ethi log a raised to power b ufana no b log a. So I can apply this log kule scenario now. Okay, let me erase this. Now I know ukuthi la ngizokwehla negative n bese ngiba no log this number log 1 plus 0.105 all divided by 12 equals to log 1 minus 900,000 into 0.105 divided by 12 divided by 18,000. Then if I divide both sides in log, kune rule ethi log a divided by log b ifana ngamashi lento no log number a base ubani b. Should base yami would be this one. Okay. Now let me erase. Then negative n will be equals to log number a1 minus 900,000 times 0.0 105, sorry, divided by 12, local, all divided by 18,000. Base kubile number le 1 plus 0,105 all divided by 12. Then I will receive n1 as a number of months. Now let me punch my calculator. I've got log base yami 1 plus 0,105 over 12. Number yami, it's 1 plus 900,000 all divided by 18,000. The 900,000 has been multiplied by 0,105 over 12, and then this is my final answer is 41, did I write 1 la? I think in Kosho 1 la somewhere, sorry guys, it's 1 minus la. Yes, so my answer is negative 66,04. So I've got negative 66,04. Now if I divide with negative, then n1 over to 66,04 months, which is approximately, should say inyanga azokwazi ukuyikhipha ngayo 66 months.
This podcast was proudly sponsored by PPR Education. Podcast Partnership Recognition.